Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G42, and today I would like to show you how you can set up chosen login method on this smartphone. Begin with accessing settings. Then you need to scroll down and click on security section over here. Finally, click on screen lock and tap on the best login method for you, pattern pin or password. When you're ready, you need to click on it, enter your screen lock and choose next at the bottom right corner. Then repeat it and tap on confirm. Over here you need to answer this question by clicking on one of those answers. What do you want the lock screen to display? I will go with show sensitive content only when unlocked, so I have to click on this one and tap on done at the bottom right corner. Now when I click on home button, turn off my screen and turn it back on. As you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!